going to grab some cucumber off of here. I already took one off. There's another one back here. Let's go ahead and grab that off. Get under there. All right. And we're going to give these to the neighbor, okay? Give these to Kuya across the street.
Bro,
okay?
Bro, bee! Bee!
I guess a bee was attacking him. Okay, so let's go ahead and get these to the neighbors because I have a plenty. Couple of tomatoes. Get that to them later. Look at these beans. Get those off later. He ran. He really ran. Yeah, he took off. Let's see where he went. You know what? I have another cucumber plant up here. Right here. It's growing in the back. Where you at? I gotta see where he went. He probably ran in the house. Seth? Yeah, I think he took off. He's like, no, 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 no. Yeah, he's gone. Like when there's mosquitoes or bugs out, he normally just take off. Oh, my medicine is out here. Oh man. So that's my medicine from the dentist, some ibuprofen. Let me get this to the neighbor here. He's retired, so. Oh, almost broke my ankle. It's a big hole over there. I'm getting old, I gotta be careful. Here you go.
How you doing, bud?
All right.
All right. Thanks, man. Thank you so much.
All right.
Thanks, man.
All right. How you been doing?
Good. How you doing?
Good.
Good, good. Hear about that bad accident
Where?
on 40 last night?
No, I heard a lot of police cars. Yeah, that guy, he's retired. And he's just relaxed doing nothing. But guys, I'm gonna show you like this part right here. Like I stepped off of here and my foot went down in here and almost broke my ankle. Almost twisted my ankle. It was bad. Whew. I'm glad I didn't break it. So I need to fill it in with some dirt. But what I'm going to do is, I got this sprayer here. I'm gonna connect to the hose. I got some neem oil spray, but I think I could use something else. But see, what's happening is this pumpkin is attracting. Some people call them stink bugs, but I'm gonna show you. It's a lot of them. It was just a few, but now it's a lot. See that right there? Look at that. Has anybody seen these before? They're kind of white, but they're not like brown, and it's a lot of them. And see what happens is once these bugs get over here, they start to they lay eggs up underneath the leaves, right? Let me see. Whoa, there's one under there. Ugh, it makes me itch just looking at them. Look at that, guys. And if you scare them, they kind of just move away. And I don't know if they squirt out something, but I know stink bugs do. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to spray some natural oil stuff over here, neem oil spray, and then I'm going to get rid of this vine, okay? After I spray this, I'm going to get rid of the vine because I don't want them to go and start attacking this over here, which is more cucumber, right? More cucumber. I don't want them to damage that. So let's go over here Get the hose and I'm gonna spray this. There's a kink in the hose. Okay, fill this up. Okay, there we go. Put that on. Put this back on here. Guys, I got all these bruises on my arm here. These bruises are right here from, I used to work at a steel company. And if anyone ever worked in a steel refinery, you know there's molten lead, and sometimes that stuff explodes. And stuff exploded and it like got on my arm. So those been there for years, but then I got like these other scars and stuff, man. I'm telling you, mosquitoes love my blood. And when I get bit by a mosquito, like the mosquito bites, they really get swollen and like it's almost like I'm allergic to it or something. So any of you guys know people like that? They get bit by a mosquito and they leave big marks. But I don't get sick or anything. It's just the bites leave really big marks on me. Okay, let's go ahead and turn this on. Turn that on. And I'm gonna put this on spray. So what this does, it got two nozzles here. I can go like this, or I can turn it this way, make it flat, or I can turn it and make it shoot out straight like that. But I think I'm gonna do this first. You know what? I'm gonna do this first. I'm gonna put it on fan. Let's go. Let's go. Get rid of these bugs once and for all. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Goodbye, bugs. They're all down in the soil. Yeah. I'm going to really saturate this really good. Alright guys, so I cleaned all this up. Show you. I just went on and poured all this stuff out of here, cleaned it up. But these bugs are still here. Some of them, right? There you go, right there. Then there's a couple small ones right here. Look at that. Ew, those things are creepy. But anyway, clean that up. I hope they don't migrate over to this plant, but we will see. Okay. I'm about to go do some other things and catch you guys in the next one, or I'll see you in a little bit.